Are you ready? Hello friends, I had this wooden plyboard which I used to make the wooden riser. So its top part dimensions are 14 by 14 and legs are 3 inches high. So after that I sand it with the sandpaper and then I clean the dust. I'm using the primer here, one coat of primer. And so first layer of color is it's light brown, and after that I did another coat of dark brown. You can choose any color of your choice. So see, actually when I'm done with the brown part, I use the masking tape for the border, and now I'm using stencil. It's reusable stencils, and these are very easy to use. You don't need to use the masking tape to stick those on the floor or on the surface. So I use the sponsor, and I'm using teal blue color. So I like this color for the design. So you can choose any color of your choice. If you did not subscribe it yet, please subscribe. Don't forget to comment in the comment section about the video. Did you like it or not? If you like the video, please hit the like button and share with the friends. After finishing the border, I used another masking tapes to make another border line. So I used two layers of masking tape, and then I used the yellow color for the inside part. Da da da, it's ready. Thanks for watching.